Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best stainless steel outdoor kitchen cabinets is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your outdoor living space, offering durability, style, and unmatched functionality that elevates your entertaining game and creates a stunning centerpiece for backyard gatherings, seamlessly blending modern aesthetics with practical design to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service, making it a worthwhile investment for enhancing your home's value and enjoyment. Number 5. Keter Outdoor Rolling Cart. It's the perfect addition to your patio or backyard. Transform your outdoor space into a stylish and functional entertainment hub. With its generous size, it easily holds all your food, drinks, and party essentials. You'll have plenty of room for everything you need. Moving it around is a breeze. The built-in wheels and handle make transporting it effortless. It's built to last. The tough resin wicker material can withstand the elements and will look great for years to come. It's ideal for family gatherings, barbecues, or any outdoor event. It's the perfect addition to your outdoor living space. Keter provides high-quality, durable, and stylish solutions to elevate your outdoor experience. Make everyday living better with this versatile cart. What we like. It's perfect for those who love to entertain outdoors. Its portability and large storage capacity make it ideal for parties or casual gatherings. If you need a versatile and easy-to-move outdoor kitchen solution, this is it. What people say. Assembly was very easy and the instructions were clear. It took about 20 minutes to assemble. The top allows plenty of prep space and the open shelf right below the top is also a great space for cooking needs. And I love the spice shelf at the end. It is large enough to set my burner, plates, and utensils. The aluminum is not affected by the heat from the burner and the plastic material looks to be water resistant. Number 4. VEVOR Barbecue Access Door. It's designed for outdoor kitchens and barbecue islands. Its precise dimensions make installation a breeze, fitting seamlessly into your space. You can easily adjust the installation size for a perfect fit. Made of double-layer stainless steel, it's rust and corrosion resistant. The sturdy construction and seamless design ensure years of reliable use. Cleaning is also a snap, leaving no traces behind. The door's design allows for easy adjustment of the opening direction. You can easily switch it from left to right, adapting to your kitchen layout. Installation is quick and simple thanks to the L-shaped insert structure. It boasts a hidden handle for a sleek look and added safety. The thickened edges provide extra protection, and convenient hooks offer additional storage. Enjoy a worry-free cooking experience. A 1:1 installation template is included for precise placement. Simply follow the easy-to-understand instructions for quick and straightforward installation. Enjoy your new outdoor kitchen access door in minutes. What we like. This is a must-have for those who want a sturdy and weather-resistant addition to their outdoor kitchen. Its precise dimensions ensure a seamless fit. If you prioritize durability and a clean look, you'll love this. What people say. It came packaged extremely well, removing the plastic coating was the hardest part of the install. Good quality double door fits the existing opening in my brick barbecue base. Les portes sont doubles en metal inox, ce que les rend rigides, très belle finition les saugers sont soignées. Number 3. VEVOR Outdoor Kitchen Drawers. Upgrade your outdoor kitchen with these sleek, durable drawers. They're perfect for storing all your grilling essentials, keeping everything organized and within easy reach. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these drawers are incredibly strong and resistant to rust. They're built to last, even in harsh outdoor conditions. With 2 spacious drawers, you'll have plenty of room for all your grilling tools and accessories. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to organized outdoor cooking. The fully enclosed box frame design adds extra strength and stability. It ensures that it can withstand daily use and the elements. These drawers glide open and closed smoothly and effortlessly thanks to the high-quality sliding rails. Access your grilling tools quickly and easily. With their clean, elegant design, these drawers are a stylish addition to any outdoor kitchen or barbecue island. They'll enhance the look of your outdoor cooking space. What we like. Maximize your outdoor kitchen storage with this space-saving solution. The smooth sliding rails ensure effortless access to your cooking essentials. If you need extra storage and smooth operation, this is the one for you. What people say. Great quality as well as great price on Amazon. Easy to install and looks amazing. The storage is perfect and fits all of his accessories. Very functional. Built better than expected. Absolutely perfect for my uses. I built it into a workbench. Well made, smooth gliding drawers. Number 2. YITAHOME XL Outdoor Kitchen Cart. It boasts over 130 gallons of storage. That's enough space for all your outdoor entertaining essentials. Keep everything organized and within easy reach. The high-quality stainless steel tabletop is easy to clean and perfect for prepping food or serving drinks. Plus, it has an expandable panel for extra shelving. With a large drawer, wine glass rack, paper towel holder, and bottle opener, it has everything you need. Use the armrests to hang towels or utensils. Move it around effortlessly with the 2 multi-directional wheels and side handles. The brakes keep it securely in place when you need it to stay put. It's built to last with a sturdy steel frame and weather-resistant wicker. The stainless steel countertop ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. This outdoor kitchen cart is ideal for barbecues, parties, or simply relaxing on your patio. Enjoy the convenience and style it brings to your outdoor space. What we like. This is the ultimate outdoor kitchen storage solution for large gatherings. The stainless steel top is easy to clean and maintain. If you need a large capacity and easy movement, this is the best choice. What people say. Very sturdy. Lots of storage. Using it on our patio of our RV like an outdoor kitchen for our tabletop induction stove, would make a great coffee bar, or just a bar. The DIY kit was well designed, and the parts went together easily. The threaded inserts used on the cart are good quality and the tolerances were accurate enough that I easily started all the screws without a hint of cross-threading. This cart is quite nice. It is large, sturdy, and beautifully crafted. Number 1. Blaze Grill's Double Access Drawer. This innovative drawer system makes grilling easier than ever. It provides double the access, double the convenience. Keep your grilling essentials organized and within easy reach. No more fumbling around for your spatula. It's built to last, ensuring years of reliable service. The sturdy design can handle heavy use. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers. It offers ample space for all your grilling needs. Cleaning is a breeze. Its smooth surface and design make cleanup quick and easy. It's the perfect addition to any outdoor kitchen. Enhance your grilling experience today. What we like. This is a great option for those who need extra storage and easy access to their grilling essentials. Its convenient design makes it a practical addition to any outdoor kitchen. If you value convenience and easy access, this is for you. What people say. The product does appear to be nice and sturdy. Seems very durable and was easy to install in a brick outdoor kitchen. Easy to install and very sturdy. Works well with stacked stone installs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.